Spade counting bankroll right now. No, I'm just playing. We gotta pay phone bill. It's two-way. Today is the day. Today's the day. Okay. My purse, Kay. Where my keys at? Oh, there's scissors. There. I could have just stabbed it. Well, no, you're right.
Your damn purse.
You're right. Okay.
Then you're gonna be real mad.
Like kids on Christmas, man.
Sad.
I know. Damn.
You leaving a purse in there?
What they say?
$350 off when you spend $1,000 or more. $225 off when you spend $750 or more. $125 off when you spend $500 or more. $50 off when you spend $250 or more. Yeah, okay.
The 50 ain't bad.
Ain't none of it really
Especially
bad.
if they got a sale, I can get like 2 purses.
Ain't none of it really bad.
Yeah. They got a sale. I swear I'll use that. Does it expire?
8/28/18.
I was like right around my birthday. They slick. They is slick. Oh my goodness, y'all. Oh. It's so big. Let's see
That
everybody's
motherfucking
video.
purse bigger than you.
Yes. No, London. She's like, let me have it. Because when I was watching all the videos, and then when you look at it online, it don't look this big. I don't even know how to.
Hey, you ain't finna turn nothing up. I just cleaned the floor. Give me this. Give it here. I don't care. Look at this shit.
I'm so happy. Oh my goodness. Come off.
Don't tear it into little
I'm
pieces.
not. Well, hush. I don't know how to get it off.
There you go. It wasn't hard, was it?
Oh, this is still open. There we go. Shut up. I'm struggling, y'all.
Do y'all see this shit?
I pulled it off. Leave me alone.
It's terrible.
I probably could have did that at first. Shut up.
Don't hurt yourself.
Leave me alone. Ah, it's so deep. Babe, it's huge. Oh my God, I hate all of y'all's videos and probably mine too because it does not look this big. Oh my God. Oh, there's my dust bag for it. She tucked her coral lipstick away and floated back to the party. So in other words, she was slayed at her party, and I'm gonna be slayed sooner or later after I lose some weight. And these little thingies, I never know what these are for. Ah, it's so of the purse right there. Look at that.
All this damn paper that came in here.
Oh, it's so cute. It's pretty, right, Kalia? And then they got the two little pockets right here. Let me see if I can see that. Oh, there's a zipper on that side. And then the two pockets is up there. And it's just so cute.
Yeah, I see she still ain't took everything out.
Leave me alone, man. Okay, I think that's everything besides this little tag, which I'm gonna leave this on here for right now. Okay, so to give y'all a price check, this purse is $378 regular price, which the one I wanted was $398. But anyway, that was on sale for 30% off, and then they did an extra 40%. Well, they did an extra 10% off, which made it 40% off. And then they were already on sale. So this one was on sale for, what'd I say?
$113.
No, it was $172. And then after the percent off, it came out to be $113. And I am so glad I have the best husband in the world because I wanted to coupon. So I was like, shit. So I was thinking coupon purse. So I couponed. And I didn't spend all the money. So baby was like, go ahead and use my card and get your purse. I was like, what? Yeah, see, now y'all need to find a nigga like mine. I said like mine, not mine. And he might do some shit like this for y'all. And let me tell you something. I'm a crappy motherfucking life partner. So for him to still do this for me, I feel pretty damn lucky. It was something else that came with this purse. I seen it when I opened it. Nope, not that. I swear it was something else. Maybe it wasn't. Maybe it wasn't.
No, it wasn't this because it didn't come with no money.
I wish it would have came with some money in it.
All right, we out, y'all. She done.
Anyway, it was Kate Spade, by the way, if y'all just didn't know. See that? Oh. All right. Thank y'all for watching. I got to go. I'm finna love up on my man. Bye.